If you're someone who loves fixing, tweaking, upgrading, or organizing, this list is tailor-made for you. Whether you're in the garage working on your next DIY project or keeping your car interior neat and functional, these products bring efficiency and simplicity to your hands. From compact organizers to heavy-duty tools, we've rounded up 8 genius items that will absolutely level up your workspace and driving experience. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Seat Gap Organizer. If you've ever dropped your phone, coins, or keys between the car seats, you know how annoying it can be to fish them out. This EVA-made crevice storage box fits perfectly between your car seat and console, turning wasted space into organized storage. Number 7. Cable Clip Organizer. Tired of tangled wires in your car or at your workbench? These multifunctional tie clips keep your charging cables, earphones, and cords in place. Crafted from eco-friendly soft PVC, they come with strong 3M adhesive, so they'll stick firmly to most surfaces. The sleek design makes them easy to use, and their compact size ensures they don't clutter your space. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Number 6. Touch Roof Light. Brighten up your car interior with these wireless, touch-activated ceiling lights. Featuring 6 high-intensity LED beads, they charge via USB in just 40 minutes and deliver about 1.5 hours of lighting per session. Reusable over 500 times, they're perfect for reading, repairs, or night visibility. Just stick them where you need light, tap to activate, and your space instantly transforms with modern illumination. Number 5. Hot Air Gun. The JCD8858 Micro Rework Soldering Station is a 700-watt heat gun designed for precision soldering. With a portable build, digital LED display, and ESD-safe design, it's perfect for sensitive electronics and circuit board repairs. It also features a powerful ceramic heater and adjustable airflow up to 150 liters per minute. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this tool is built to make your soldering more efficient and reliable. Number 4. Laser Level Tool. The Hupar Self-Leveling Green Laser offers 360-degree horizontal and vertical line coverage for accurate leveling and alignment. With a range of up to 60 meters when used with a laser receiver, it's ideal for home construction, tiling, or even outdoor landscaping. Its IP54 rating means it's dust-proof and waterproof, and it operates reliably in both hot and cold environments. The pulse mode allows for extended visibility in bright light, making it an advanced companion for precision tasks. Number 3. Rivet Gun Tool. This electric rivet nut gun converter is a must for anyone doing installations or mechanical work. Built from alloy steel with a non-slip handle, it's compatible with lithium drills, torque drills, and pistol drills. It supports both metric and imperial rivet sizes, from M3 to M8 and 632 to 516 to 18. Whether you're working on home renovations or metalwork, this tool simplifies riveting with precision and strength. It comes in a handy box with all necessary adapters and wrenches. Number 2. Diamond Grinding Bit. If you're into stonework or pottery finishing, this spherical diamond grinding head is essential. It comes in multiple diameters, 30 millimeters, 40 millimeters, and 50 millimeters, with M10 threading to fit standard rotary tools. Number 1. Precision Vise Table. This 2-in-1 milling and drilling vise by Alstom is ideal for bench-top metalworking. Made from high-grade aluminum alloy, it offers X and Y axis adjustments with a 90-degree swivel base. With a maximum clamping width of 77 millimeters and stroke scales for precise positioning, it's a solid choice for any DIY builder or machinist. Whether you're cutting, grinding, or drilling, this table vise gives you unmatched control and accuracy. There you have it, 8 tools that every DIY enthusiast, car owner, and repair geek will appreciate. Whether it's keeping your car tidy, enhancing visibility, or taking your precision work to the next level, these products are built to perform. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.